Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Amazon Locker at checkout. Using an Amazon Locker for your orders is simple and convenient. Start by adding the item you want to your cart and proceed to checkout. If the Amazon Locker option is available in your area, you see a link under your shipping address to select a locker location. You can choose from the suggested lockers or search by address, zip code, landmark, or locker name. Some lockers are even inside 7-Eleven stores, making pickup easy and accessible. After selecting your preferred locker, choose your delivery speed standard, 2-day, free with Prime, or 1-day locker delivery, and press continue. Next, select your payment method, review your order, and place it. As long as the locker option appears for your location, you can enjoy the convenience of secure, self service pickup right from your chosen locker. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.